Today is a very special day, my friends, because today we are getting the Shinko 777s installed on my 2008 Honda Shadow Aero 750. And getting those installed is twofold. One, they're gonna look great on this bike. You can kind of see my shadow. I got them on the back. Thank goodness I put the Sportster Sissy bar on here. It's just so convenient for strapping stuff too. But the number two reason that we're putting these on here is I'm trying to get rid of that front end shimmy I got. And I know a lot of you guys were saying it's probably, you know, I just want to try this first. I'm going to put the tires on anyway. There you go. Whoa. Okay, that was a little more than I expected. So yeah, we're going to try tires first today and go from there. As you can see, you know, I keep my hands on the bars. I don't really have a problem, but that was super sketchy. That's, yeah, I was not expecting all that. So, yeah. So this bike literally doesn't need tires yet. The Michelin Commander 2 still probably got at least half tread left. I'm just itching to get these Shinkos on. I mean, I bought them a couple months ago, and they've just been sitting at the house. And I tried my darndest, but I cannot get all that blue crap off. There's still like a light blue tint on the Whitewall. And I know everybody's saying, oh, just use soap and water. So I tried soap and water. It didn't work. Alright, so I'll catch back up with you guys in a bit. Bam! There it is. And they're super dirty. And yeah, they're still blue. Look, I'm trying, alright? No, but all in all, they still look pretty sweet. Let's go see how they ride.
And right about here is where my microphone quit. But as you can see, the tires did not solve the problem. We still got that shimmy shimmy. So most likely it's probably neck bearings. But knowing me, and I'm stubborn, I'm going to continue to gaslight myself thinking it's something else, and that's not the real issue. I did order a set of new front wheel bearings, so I think we're going to give that a try first. And also, I didn't notice I had this problem until I put the Memphis Shades windshield brackets on the forks, so maybe that has something to do with it. I don't know. So we're going to double check a few things for tightness and go from there, but all in all, I mean, I would say this bike looks absolutely gorgeous. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, and you're curious about, you know, one or two other things on this bike, check out this list right here, and I'll see you guys later. Be good, y'all. See ya.